Today is one of those days I feel like time is flying. I took my dad for his appointment and I just got back. And I met my kitchen waiting for me just the way I left it. So let me quickly do some clear up. I made a new sourdough starter. Not my first ever sourdough starter, but just a new starter. She's over a week old. One thing added to my daily routine. I have two things on my mind right now. Breakfast and feeding my starter. One has to wait. It is amazing what flour, water, and some time can do. It will give you a sourdough starter that makes delicious things like pancakes for breakfast. Now that I have a functioning sourdough starter, it is exciting to actually have something that you made and it works. But in my experience, I've learned with sourdough that it's not just making the sourdough starter, but how you take care of it immediately when it is made, like when it is active. So the first few weeks are important. The good thing is sourdough is forgiven, as long as it is not completely forgotten. I am sometimes a little off routine with the feeding, but it survives. I just keep her in my line of sight. It's been just over a week, but I can see my starter transforming. More bubbles definitely. The only way I see this transformation is because I have kept her outside the fridge. Each feed grows the strength of the wild yeast. 80% hydration works best for me. I maintain a small batch of mother starter on purpose. Keeping her outside the fridge during her early days makes it easy to maintain and creates less waste for me. Lower hydration gives longer fermentation and it makes it easy to feed her when I can. Building a stronger mother starter at my convenience, you can say. Baking my own bread often with the new starter creates a rhythm, like a way for me to know what my starter can do and to get familiar with the capabilities and the strength and how it performs. She's making her first debut. I look forward to see what she can do. I mixed the dough yesterday and I did a cold bulk ferment. I love using the same recipe to learn more of my starter. No bake is the same, even if the recipe is the same. Kinda like my sourdough appraisal. I love reading your tips in the comments, so thank you for always dropping them. Having a functioning new starter is exciting, but what is the one thing that you would do differently if you had a new starter right now? Having a new sourdough starter is like a new toy. It's exciting and it takes up your time. One thing that has helped me is controlling the hydration. This creates a flexible feeding routine. Sourdough is not just bread but a lifestyle, and fitting that lifestyle into my daily routine